Good morning, students. Today I am back with another video with the topic named as present continuous tense. You might have learned about the tenses in your previous classes. First of all, let me tell you what are a tense means. Tense tells us time of an action. Action verbs. So whenever a particular thing tells you the time of that action, that is called as tense. So we have three kinds of tenses: past tense, present tense, and future tense. These three types of tenses further divided into four different parts. So we have 12 tenses, 12 type of tenses in total. Today we are going to learn about present continuous tense. Let me tell you what the present continuous tense is. At the moment I am playing football. As you can see in the picture also, a boy is playing. So at the moment I am playing football. इस समय मैं फुटबॉल खेल रहा हूँ. So, what does present tense tell us? Present continuous tell us. Continuous means continuity. So, continuous tense tells us the thing, the actions which we are doing right now. जो काम हम कर रहे हैं उसे मैं क्या कहूँगी? कॉन्टिन्यूस. जो कॉन्टिन्यूटी में है, हमें नहीं पता वो कब ख़त्म हुआ है, तो उसे क्या कहेंगे हम? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. आई एम प्लेइंग फुटबॉल. मैं फुटबॉल खेल रहा हूँ. इन प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस वी यूज़ रहा हूँ, रही हूँ, रहे हूँ. ये हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में यूज़ करते हैं इन द एंड ऑफ द सेंटेंस. So here are the rule how to write present continuous tense. We use I am playing. The rule of present continuous tense is subject plus verb, main verb, plus ing plus object. Subject plus isma plus verb plus ing plus object. This is the rule for present continuous tense. So what is the subject here? I am. I के साथ use होता है am. You know it very well. And then playing. Again you is the subject, a helping verb, and playing is the main verb with the ing. This is the this is your subject, then helping a verb, and then your verb. Look at the example. Is he playing football at the moment? This is the interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence tells you the interrogation which is used to ask the question. Is he playing football at the moment? क्या वह फुटबॉल खेल रहा है? Remember, रहा है at the end of the sentence. Whenever you will be translating a continuous tense, it will say you रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. क्या वह फुटबॉल खेल रहा है? Look at the picture. Is he playing football? No, he isn't it. He is running. वह क्या कर रहा है? वह running कर रहा है. The present continuous tense, how to use in interrogative as well as in negative form. Let's see an example. Whenever we use as interrogation, as interrogative continuous tense, we put helping verb in the beginning of the sentence. So helping verbs were am, I am, is, and are. So we use all these helping verbs in the beginning of the sentence. So your sentence would be: am I playing? Are you playing? Or is he playing? So these are the interrogative sentence of continuous tense. And if we want to convert it into negative, we will use not with the helping verb. We use not with the helping verbs. Like I am not playing. We aren't. We are not playing. He is not playing. She is not playing. Use not with is, am, are, your helping verb with for to make negative sentence. Now look at the picture. What is she doing? What is she doing? वह क्या कर रही है? She is drawing a picture at the moment. वह इस समय पिक्चर ड्रॉ कर रही है. तो this is your present continuous tense. What is Tweety doing? Look at the picture and tell me what is Tweety doing? It's flying. It's flying. वह उड़ रही है. So we came to know that while using present continuous tense, we use subject plus is, am, are according to the subject and plus verb plus ing. This is the rule which we have to remember while using present continuous tense. Look at the spelling rules. Here verb plus ing. Listen, listening. Die, dying. If you have I and E, two vowels in the end, it will become Y. I-E will become while. D-Y-I-N-G, dying. Write, W-R-I-T-E. If you have E in the end, you will miss it. You will delete it. W-R-I-T-E, write plus I-N-G. W-R-I-T-I-N-G. You will remove E at the end of the word. Hope, if you have P and you have consonant in the end and you have vowel before that, you will double the letter. Hopping. Travel, traveling. Double L will be there. Make ing form of each verb given below. These here some of the words are given. What you have to do, you have to use these rules and then you have to write ing form of verbs in your notebooks. Try to make it. Begin, rub, listen, lie, swim, study, happen, get, use, admit, try, decide, come, put. You have to make ing form of these words. So, first of all, you have to try it. Then answer key is given here. Now, where this present continuous tense is used. Number one, action which are happening or at or around the moment of speaking. उस चीज़ के लिए, उस काम के लिए जो उस टाइम पर हो रहा होता है या आसपास हो रहा होता है जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, उस काम के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस. लाइक नाउ आई एम डूइंग द वॉशिंग अप. इस समय मैं वॉशिंग कर रही हूँ. शी इज़ वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड नाउ अ डेज. ये नाउ अ डेज वो बहुत हार्ड वर्क कर रही है. ये उस मोमेंट की बात नहीं है पर उससे रिलेटेड आसपास के मोमेंट की बात है. ऐसा नहीं है वो इसी टाइम हार्ड वर्क कर रही है, वो आजकल का हार्ड वर्क कर रही है. सो शी इज़ वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड दीज डेज. For temporary situation, you have to use present continuous tense like I am staying with a friend at the moment. इस समय मैं अपने फ्रेंड के घर रुक रही हूँ. एक्शन दैट आर हैपनिंग एट प्रेजेंट. कोई भी काम जो इस समय चल रहा है. दे आर डांसिंग राइट नाउ. वह इस समय डांस कर रहे हैं. टेम्परेरी सिचुएशन लाइक दे नॉर्मली प्ले टेनिस. वो नॉर्मली तो टेनिस खेलते हैं बट दिस वीक दे आर स्केटिंग. लेकिन इस वीक ये टेम्परेरी सिचुएशन हो गई. नॉर्मली वो क्या करते हैं? टेनिस खेलते हैं. पर इस वीक वो क्या कर रहे हैं? स्केटिंग कर रहे हैं. तो टेम्परेरी सिचुएशंस के लिए भी हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस यूज करते हैं. नाउ नंबर 3, चेंजिंग और डेवलपिंग सिचुएशन. चेंज होता है, सिचुएशन में डेवलप होती हैं. तब भी हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ करते हैं। हिज इंग्लिश इज़ गेटिंग बेटर, उसकी इंग्लिश बेटर हो रही है, तो डेवलप हो रही है, सिचुएशन चेंज हो रही है, तो उसके लिए भी हम प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे। इट्स गेटिंग कोल्डर, बहुत ठंड बढ़ती जा रही है, उसके लिए भी हम प्रेजेंट टेंस यूज़ करेंगे। फिक्स्ड अरेंजमेंट्स इन नियर फ्यूचर, कोई अरेंजमेंट जो हमने आने वाले फ्यूचर के लिए फिक्स किए हैं। दे आर गेटिंग मैरिड नेक्स्ट वीक, उसके लिए भी हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस। I hope you all have understood present continuous tense, and you have to do your assignments as well, the exercise given in that assignment. This is all about today. Thank you. Have a good day.